Question number 4. MgSO4 plus NH4Cl plus Na2HPO4. They react to give a white crystalline precipitate. That white crystalline precipitate is, options are A. MgCl2 MgSO4, B. MgSO4, C. MgNH4PO4, D. MgPO4 whole 2. The correct answer is C, because the reaction is magnesium ions plus ammonia plus HPO4 2 minus. They will combine to give MgNH4PO4. It's a white crystalline precipitate. It is actually MgNH4PO4 dot 6H2O. Well, question number 5 is, element A burns in nitrogen to give an ionic compound B. Compound B reacts with water to give C and D. A solution of C becomes milky on bubbling carbon dioxide. Identify A, B, C and D. The answer of this question is as follows. The element A is calcium, because calcium combines with nitrogen to give calcium nitride. That becomes our compound B. Then calcium nitride reacts with water to give calcium hydroxide, that is C, plus 2NH3, that is compound D. The C compound, calcium hydroxide, reacts with carbon dioxide to give calcium carbonate, that is a milky substance, plus H2O. So the answers finally become A is calcium, B is calcium nitride, C is calcium hydroxide, and D gas is ammonia. Question number 6. There are two parts of this question. Part A is, why barium sulfate is insoluble whereas beryllium sulfate is soluble in water. The part B is, what is the hybridized state of beryllium in BeCl2 molecule? What will be the change in BeCl2 solid? Answer A. An ionic compound becomes soluble if the heat of hydration of its ions is more than its lattice energy, and heat of hydration is more for smaller ions. Since beryllium ion is much smaller than barium ions, hence heat of hydration for beryllium sulfate is more than its lattice energy. That makes beryllium sulfate soluble. The answer is, in BeCl2 molecule, which is a linear molecule, beryllium atom is sp hybridized as shown here. But solid BeCl2 is a polyatomic substance as shown here in the figure. Here beryllium atom is sp3 hybridized. Question number 7. Arrange the following as specified. Number 1. MgO, SrO, K2O, NiO and cesium oxide. Increasing order of basic character. Second is LiCl, LiBr, Li, and Li. Second part is LiCl, LiBr and Li. Decreasing order of covalent nature. Third, KCl, KBr and Ki. Decreasing solubility in water. Fourth, NaHCO3, KHCO3, MgHCO3 and calcium bicarbonate. Increasing solubility in water. Fifth, LiF, NaF, Kf, RBF and CSF. Increasing lattice energy. Sixth, lithium, sodium and potassium, reducing power in aqueous solution. Well, the answers of question number 7 are: number 1, NiO less than MgO less than SrO less than K2O and less than CS2O. Second, Li more than LiBr more than LiCl. Third, Ki more than KBr more than KCl. Fourth, NaHCO3 is less than KHCO3, less than magnesium bicarbonate, less than calcium bicarbonate. Fifth is CSF less than RBF, less than KF, less than NaF, less than LiF. Sixth is Li more than K more than Na.